Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make decisions that are smarter than your last online shopping spree. Today, we're diving into a battle of the compact titans. On my left, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, and on my right, the Canon EOS R50. Let's see, which one deserves a spot in your camera bag? First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Sony ZV-E10 is priced at a sweet $699, which many reviewers appreciate for its affordability and value for money. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 is priced at $799, which some users feel is a bit steep compared to its features. So do you want to save some cash, or are you ready to splurge? Next, let's peek under the hood. Both cameras boast a large 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor. The ZV-E10 comes with a fast BIONZX processor, while the R50 is rocking the DIGICX processor. Reviewers have noted that the ZV-E10 delivers excellent image quality with fast autofocus, making it a great choice for content creators. On the other hand, the R50 also impresses users with its performance and speed, especially for beginners looking to improve their photography skills. Now, on to the video capabilities. The ZV-E10 can shoot 4K movies that are oversampled from 6K, which has earned praise from vloggers for its high-quality output. Meanwhile, the R50 offers 4K uncropped at up to 30 FPS. Plus, it can do full HD at a whopping 120 FPS. Reviewers appreciate the R50 for its good video performance at its price point, making it a solid choice for capturing dynamic content. Let's talk autofocus. The ZV-E10 boasts a product showcase setting that transitions focus from face to object, which many users find ideal for vlogging. The R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with a whopping 651 AF zones, providing excellent tracking for moving subjects. Reviewers have highlighted this feature as a major advantage for those who want to film action without losing focus. Last but not least, let's check out the special features. The ZV-E10 has a background defocus button that instantly toggles between focus effects, which users find really helpful for enhancing their videos. The R50, however, offers an advanced A+ assist mode that helps with tricky lighting conditions. Reviewers commend this feature for making the camera user-friendly, especially for beginners. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is heralded for its affordability, excellent image quality, and versatility, making it a hit among vloggers and content creators. The Canon EOS R50, while slightly more expensive, is praised for its ease of use and impressive performance, particularly for beginners looking to enhance their photography skills. So what's the verdict? Do you go with the budget-friendly Sony Alpha ZV-E10 or the feature-packed Canon EOS R50? Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.